me mess round and get visa. Some foreign lady come Jamaica, fall in love with me rugged charm. Me sorry, my people, my spirit take me. Me get back to the story now. My name Maximus, but the girl them call me Bark Marley. Me used to run the yard in a Portmore. Next thing me know, me on plane in a crate, flying out fast like coke shipment. When me land, me start mark territory in the house. Me the neighbors emotional support dog right on the stoop, no shame. Me bark up white people 3 a.m. just for fun. Me bite FedEx man twice.
Same man.
Me bark on one Karen. Me poop on the sidewalk. One day me yam whole weed brownie. Me find pan coffee table. Me bark at the mirror for 45 minutes straight. Immigration pull up same way. 2 man in a suit and dark shade say, "Sir, you have violated the terms of your pet visa." Every day, same thing. Bowl outside like me some stray. Life as a dog in Jamaica not easy. Them day up there with steak and AC. Me out here dodging flies and lizards. Me pass by Mr. Chin yard and see one big pot bubbling. Me say, "How what that? Goat head?" But me look again. Me swear me see my friend Brownie's collar floating. Me gone to blood clot. How you feel about the police that take off all the bad man them off of the street?
Them a do a good job. Cause them try grab your money, your phone, your watch.
Tell me some old dog. Them a take your teeth too?
Man, fuck off.
Yo, my people. Politics is 2 wings of the same bird. Me go and vote thinking me a change my life. My councillor drive past pan him Land Rover. Me bark, me tail wag. Him look pan me like me a stray with bad credit. Them build dog park. No 350, no fence. Just one sign that say coming soon since 2018. Them promise me a better tomorrow. But me still wake up today with the same zinc, same stress, same dirty neighbor. The only thing me MP bill in the constituency is suspense. So hear me now, next time you vote, not just ask for road and goat. Ask them about export plans, food security, and where the forex there. Can't me tired for bark in a country where import more cereal than common sense. Me there in a one abusive relationship with cost of living. Bully beef there, but me can't find the key, me a go starve, brother. In a them hard time, if your belly bigger than your back and you're poor, your priorities not right. If you can't save money, stop saving belly fat. My fridge empty, me open it 10 times, same way like food I go magically appear, rotted. Support your local farmer, them give you food love, and sometimes goat meat if you smile right. Supermarket only give you receipt and trauma. My crab soon ready, may I dash with that bully beef. Remember, concrete don't mean you count out. Maximize your space like Maximus.